Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm inspired by the Italian flavors. So I'm gonna be presenting how to make your homemade focaccia with rosemary and sea salt. For that recipe you will need 10 grams of fresh yeasts and 250 milliliters of warm water. If you don't have a Thermomix, you can use the regular food processor. Mix it all together to combine the ingredients. And now I'm adding 400 grams of self-raising flour and a bunch of salt. And for this recipe I'm using the salt flakes and olive oil, 2 tablespoons. This one is bought from Lidl. And now it's time for rosemary, would give you extra flavor. And you have to mix everything together to combine and to make the dough. When the dough is ready, I'm transforming it to the bowl, which before I'm oiling with the olive oil and leaving to the rest for 20 minutes with the cover in a warm place. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the parchment paper on the baking tray. When the dough is ready, I'm putting it on the tray, cover it and leave it for a rest for another 10 minutes. And we are nearly there. Just the last of touch up with the sea salt and rosemary and few drops of olive oil. And then I'm taking the fork and making some holes. Now focaccia is ready to bake for 15 minutes in 250 degrees. Right now you can notice perfect golden color and beautiful smell, and focaccia is ready to enjoy with your family and friends with the toppings which you like. Hopefully you like my recipe and see you in my next one.